Hey folks, let's talk case sensitivity in SQL Server. It's usually not a problem because people don't want things to be case sensitive, especially if you're in America and you're used to using Windows, which is not case sensitive. But there are times where you want to have case sensitivity, but it's only when you want it, like when you have passwords. So let's say this is a password that somebody logged in with on a website, but this is the password in the database. It could look like this. That's what's in the database, but that's what they typed in. They might have had cap locks on. So normally, if you say, well, does this web password equal what's in the database? We don't want it to be the same, but typically the way that SQL Server is installed by default, watch what happens. What did we get? Yup. But we don't want a yup. We want a nope, because we want it to fail because they're not the same. Well, how do we do that? Keep your eye on the code window as I flip to the next window and see what's different. See? Let me go back. See collate? Collate is a keyword, and then it has this big, long expression, which is usually something that you pick when you're first setting it up, and people usually leave it alone. This is what's out of the box, except this says CI for case insensitivity. This one says case sensitivity, and it'll be down in the notes down below, below the video. But when I add this to it, now watch what happens. Instead of getting yup, we get nope, they're not the same. So that's all that there is to it. That's how you handle case sensitivity without writing some big, ridiculous function where you loop through and look at the ASCII values. Although that would work, but that's work. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love it, please think of subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Go practice this stuff, go on interviews, make some money. Ta-ta.